Hi, this is Troy Talks and we're at the Bodhrán Making Workshop. Peter, what is the workshop about?
The workshop is about making a traditional Irish bodhrán drum from scratch. We make the piece of wood and we put the bars in it and put the skin on it and everything else. We play it at the end. It's a Bodhrán Making Workshop. It's a craft, an old Irish craft that's been up for over 100 years more.
I'm now here with Ronan. Ronan, how did you find the workshop?
I found it very enjoyable. I thought it was done very well.
Alright, thank you.
Right, are we ready?